Hello friends and welcome to AKS Tech. So today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the premium version of Filmora 9. Previously I showed you the Filmora, and now this is the latest version, which is Filmora 9, and it would be completely watermark free. All the watermarks have been removed and it is a premium version. So follow me. First of all, you would have to download this zip file from the link which has already been given in the description. It's a Mediafire link, so download would be very simple. Here you can see the size of the file. It's 267 MB. Just click download and your download would start immediately. I would cancel the download because it's a huge file and I have already downloaded it on my desktop. Here you can see this is the downloaded file and it's a zip file. So you would have to extract it with WinRAR or 7-zip file extractor, depends upon your choice. I will be using 7-zip here and I'll extract it here. Until the file is extracts, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And now you can see that the file has been extracted. So I will open the file, and here is the Filmora folder. Just open it and there you can see 4 items. One is the patch, second one is how to install. Actually this contains a little bit of installing information which I am going to show you, so it's useless for you. Third one is the password. This file does not have any password, it's also useless. And the fourth one is the setup. So first of all I would have to install the setup. Open it as an administrator to avoid any issues while installing the program. Now he is asking me for the language select. I'll use the default language and press OK. And now you can see the license agreement of Wondershare Filmora 9. So I will check this and press next. And now you can see he is asking me for the directory. Let me tell you one thing, that it would be a patched version, so you must remember the directory where you are saving the file. I'll be using the default directory, but if you are saving it to somewhere else like DEF or any other folder, you must remember the directory and just press OK. I'll just cancel it and I will use the default directory. The reason I would tell you later when I will patch it. Just press next. Now you can see that the program is being installed. This installation may take a little bit of time. And there you can see that the installation has been completed and the default web page has been opened. So I'll close it, and now you can see that he's saying me congratulations, you have installed Wondershare Filmora successfully. But you can see here that it is clearly mentioned you are using a trial version and a watermark will be displayed on the output video. So you need not to worry. I'll show you how to remove the watermark and register Wondershare Filmora 9. So first of all I'll uncheck the user experience improvement program and I'll launch the program. The program may take a little bit of time on first launch. Here you can see that he's saying me that unsupported graphics card driver. So it is due to actually I have not updated my graphics driver. So I'll just press continue. If you also have this issue, just continue, do not exit. He is loading the libraries, and now the program is being initiated. you can see that the Wondershare Filmora 9 has been launched. So as you know that this is a trial version and our Filmora watermark will be shown on the output video. So I'll close it here. Make sure that the program is completely closed. Just go back to the folder and open this patch folder, and this is the patch. Just open it and as an administrator. Remember this thing, that you must open the program as an administrator. Now here is the patch, just click next, and here you can see the location, the destination folder of this patch. That's why I previously told you that you must remember the location where you are installing the Wondershare Filmora, because this patch must also be installed in that folder. So as he knew that what is the default directory selected by the Wondershare Filmora 9, so it will be automatically installed there. But if you have changed the location, you must make sure that this destination is the same where your program has been installed. So mine is just okay, but if you have seen that this is not the right location, just browse and select that location and then press OK. I'll just cancel it and just click install, and you can see that now you can see that the installation is complete and their default web page is being opened. So they are executing the commands here, and now you can see that Wondershare Filmora has been installed on your computer, and I'll just finish it, and that's all. The patch has been installed and the output from and the watermark from the output video has been removed, and it's a premium version now. And now you can see that the program is being launched. Program is being initiated now. And now you can see that the Wondershare Filmora 9 has been launched. I'll start a new project, and now you can see that Wondershare Filmora has been launched, and there will be no watermark in the output video. And if you still feel any difficulty while installing the program, just mention that in comment, and if you want a video on your issue, just mention that in comment as well. I'll try to make it as soon as possible. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Subscription is totally free. Thank you guys.